Dave with DMA Real Estate, welcome you to our newest listing located at 454 Evergreen in Ann Arbor, Michigan, 48103. This gorgeous sprawling ranch has a family room with soaring vaulted ceiling, kitchen with granite countertops, partially finished basement. But guess what? I always save the best for last. So why don't you take a look at the house, and then I'll catch you on the flip side and show you the best part for last. Thank you for touring 454 Evergreen, but I did save the best for last. As you can see behind me, look at this private backyard. It's lushly landscaped, trees galore. So think about enjoying your coffee on the deck or having that bottled beer or a glass of wine in the evening. But again, you can enjoy the summer and spring nights on the beautiful deck overlooking this gorgeous pastoral backyard. Thanks for coming by and looking at 454 Evergreen. If you have any questions, shoot us a DM or call us at 734-800-1148.